Hey, what's up, everybody? So, one of the very first things that I picked up before I even got my car was this leather shield. Basically, it's a ceramic coating for your seats, and it kind of helps to protect it from different type of stains, whether that be dye from jeans or spills like the coffee I spilled on my seat a few weeks ago. It's supposed to pretty much make it easier to clean up those messes, and it keeps your seats as clean as possible. Today, we're going to take the time to go ahead and fully clean my seats, and then we are going to apply this coating, and then our seats should be good. I think it lasts 18 months. My seats actually don't look bad. There's not a lot of spots on them. There's some black marks here and there just from me getting in and out of the car. I do have some spots that have lotion, Vaseline, you know, cocoa butter, the things that I use to keep my melanated skin beautiful and protected. So there's a lot of lotion in some of these places, especially like where I put my knees at. I am going to be using the leather cleaner. These are both by the company Gyeon. Other things that I have a bunch of these white low pile microfiber cloths that I bought from Amazon. Everything that I bought actually will be down in the description bar if you're interested. And then these applicator sponge, and then some more microfiber cloths, which come in the container with this. So when you buy this online, you get all of this in the exact same container. Let me do a smell test really quick because this is the type of person I am. It doesn't smell, maybe I shouldn't be smelling this. I don't know. It kind of smells a little bit like alcohol. It's not a very strong smell, so if you're sensitive to smells, you should be perfectly fine. I guess that's it. Let's go ahead and wipe this baby down. Get the rag. Jesus. Oh my gosh. Wow. This is strong. And it's so strong. Alright, so far so good. Water is very murky. But the towel is still very, very clean. Cool. So far what I've done is I wiped down the driver's seat, the front and the back of it. What I'm gonna do now is I got a brand new cloth. I dumped out the water that I had in my this is the only thing I got. I dumped out the water that I had in here and put some clean water in here. I'm not gonna use any more cleaner on this side, but I'm gonna wet it, and then I'm gonna make sure that I get all of the soapy residue off of the seat. And then after that, I'll go on to the passenger side, do the same thing. Soapy water first, wipe everything down, get it clean, then followed up with just a wet towel just to get all the soap off, and then let it air dry. Once I've made my way all around the car, everything should be dry, and then I'll go through the process of actually putting on the actual protector. Sorry. This cleaner, it'll choke you up, so be careful. Got on here. So I've cleaned the entire inside of the car out. It looks really good. Some of the material, like the steering wheel and the armrest, whenever the water dries on it, it's almost like it leaves streaks. So I had to wet it again and then dry it manually with a actual cloth instead of just letting it air dry. So I'm about to go ahead and put this leather shield on because I'm running out of daylight, and I do want to go ahead and get this actually applied. I do recommend using gloves. I'm a huge fan of shopping at my work, so I got these from work. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to pour some of this on the actual cloth, and then I'm going to hit the cracks first, and then we'll hit everything else afterwards. So you're supposed to put a lot. You're supposed to put like a whole lot. Let me see. A whole lot. That should be enough, right? I don't know. We'll give it a go. All right, so I finished applying everything. This is how much I have left over, a decent amount. I actually went over some spots several times, like some of the areas in the back seat. I went over the passenger seat a couple times, just because since I had extra product left over, I might as well go ahead and use it. And those are the areas that I'm most worried about anyways. Like my seat, I'm not worried about getting messy because I'm clean. But you know, I've got people coming in and out of my car, so I don't know what's on their jeans or whatever. So just wanted to use whatever extra product that I did have. But easy process. They said after like around 3 or so minutes, if you see any high spots or any glossy spots, you're supposed to wipe them down. I can't see anything on these white seats, so I'm just gonna let it do its thing. I can't use my car for the next 6 hours while everything's just kind of like settling in and curing. So I'm just going to wait until tomorrow to even get in the car when I go to work. But it was real easy. It didn't leave a smell. Since it had a weird smell out of the bottle, I'm kind of worried that that new car smell that I had is going to be gone. We'll see tomorrow. We will see. But other than that, it was pretty easy. Very simple. Easy way to protect your seats. It's also really good when it comes to UV protection as well. So I've been in cars before or had cars that had leather seats. And after so long of it being in the sun, after so many years, the seats will start to either fade or crack or stuff like that. And I'm trying to prevent that as much as possible because I am going to have this car for the next several years. So I want to take every precaution that I can from the jump. That way I just don't have to try to be reactive. I'm trying to be proactive instead of reactive. But anyways, that's it. Very simple, very easy. Hopefully this was informative or at least entertaining. And if it was, please let me know. And other than that, I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.